Hello, I'm in a 2007 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So we'll find this lever and we'll pull. That'll release the hood. And if there's no tension at all here, you might need to check to make sure this cable's still attached. If there's no cable, that might be something you need to address. But up front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. So you can stick your finger in here. And there's a lever here we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then we're going to take this arm and stick it up here. Sorry for the camera work. Now this arm's holding the hood up. Here's that hood release. So here, double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. You could spray some WD-40 if you need to help. And up here is where it was hooked onto. And then you can double check as well that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.